Everything turns out great. Wonderful plumbing service.
Thank you.
Very, very satisfied with his work, was right on time. The estimate was great. We loved him, so definitely use him. Thumbs up.
Thank you.
I cannot say enough good things about Champion Plumbing.
I wanted to recommend Champion Plumbing for all your plumbing needs. Granger and Murray, they're the two best plumbers in the area, and I've used them for several things, and they're top-notch.
They were a pleasure to work with. I would definitely call them again and recommend them to anyone in the San Fernando Valley area. Thanks.
Thank you, Talia.
Give us a call.